Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace the punch pass and roller for the BMW 320i, the model 2016. I use the roller from Brembo. I buy Brembo roller, even very good quality. The part number over here. So also they have the roller, they have the number over here too. They want a very good quality. Brembo is very good. So let's do together. It's very easy. First time we need the Allen key number 7, Allen key number 6, and the socket number 18. So let's do together. Okay, before we let do together, I forgot to tell you that the brake pads. The brake pad is brand new. I'm going to show you after when I finish the video anyway. So now I'm going to take the caliper on the right side. So take the cap out. Okay, let me take another cap out over here. Okay, so I'm going to use the Allen key. We use the Allen key anyway. Let me move out. Allen key. Thing over here. Just want to show you guys the clip over here. The BMW. So I have the clip to hold the caliper bracket. So I have to use the screwdriver to push the one back over here, coming out easy. Look, see, that's the only way you can do. Now to put the caliper back by the time anyway. Nope, I need to use screwdriver, put the caliper back, and not later. Don't worry, I don't need to put the piston back anyway. I do this way, it's more easy for me. Okay, that's it. That's it, pass finish. See, look at the pass. The new pass different. Make sure right pack, anything good. I think so. Right pack. Okay. So now I'm going to use the socket number 18 to take it out. I'm going to use the impact, okay? Use the impact flexible would be faster. Yeah, I show you how to take the roller out. We're going to Allen key number 6 over here. I'm going to use my hammer. I use my gun to take it out. Okay. The hammer, get the hammer, bang the roller out. Not a big deal for that. Okay. Take the roller out. Make sure the right roller. I believe the right roller. Yeah, that's exactly the same roller. The new roller and the old roller. So I'm going to put the new roller on first. Make sure it's clean. Put the new roller. Okay, put the one back. Okay, after I shave with the caliper clean, I'm going to use the anti-C. Use the anti-C I put over here. Same. Now to use my impact, tighten them up. Okay, done. So now this pass, gotta put this side. Okay, this pass, they have to put over here. The clip over here. Okay, put clip on. Make sure the clip go inside. That's it. Okay, so now we share with the slide caliper. Make sure this one here. I'll show you guys. This one. Take it out, put the grease on. Sometimes they build up this one proper. You have to take it out, clean them up too. But this one is okay. So take it out, just clean them up this one and put the grease on, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay, take this one after this one, put the pass on. And I put the grease on the slide already over here, so now I'm going to put together. Okay, so make sure to by hand. 17 Allen key. Bottom one, make sure I can go okay. Tie them up by hand. Tight. Okay, tight. I'm gonna put the cap on. No way, I don't forget. Okay, let's put another cap on. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn the wheel straight. I'm gonna show you guys how to put this clip on. Easy. Okay, the clip over here. Okay, do one way over here. See that? Okay, another one over here like this. Just use screwdriver on needle nose to bend over this one. Look. That's it. See? Very easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go on the front to show you. Okay, so I really show you how to replace the pass and rotor for the 2016 BMW 320i. It's very easy. New pass, new rotor. Another side driver side, I have the sensor too. I ordered the sensor because I want to show you this one. Another sensor, not a big deal, very easy to do anyway. So I hope you guys like my video. Thank you for you watch my video. So if you like my video, please thumb up and let me know in the comment below or whatever you have the question. So thank you very much again. See you next video.